Welcome to JH. Today, we're settling the ultimate showdown, Superbox versus Redbox. I've put them both to the test in 2025 to see which one actually deserves your hard-earned cash. First off, let's clear up the confusion. This is essentially comparing hardware to software. Superbox is a physical Android TV box, while Redbox is just a streaming app and service. It's a bit like comparing a toaster to a loaf of bread, but hey, let's roll with it anyway. Superbox comes preloaded with thousands of IPTV channels and movies, promising lifetime access with zero subscriptions. Of course, lifetime, in the world of gray market IPTV, usually lasts until the developers decide to move to a non-extradition country. On the other hand, Redbox offers rentals, purchases, and ad-supported TV that you can run on your Roku, Fire Stick, or Smart TV. It's the safe, predictable choice for people who actually enjoy knowing that their service won't vanish into thin air during the season finale of their favorite show. While Superbox tempts you with the siren song of free channels, it operates in a legal gray area where reliability is about as stable as a house of cards in a hurricane. Redbox is fully legitimate and backed by a real company, meaning you get consistent updates and a distinct lack of sudden service outages. If you want the thrill of potentially sketchy IPTV, go for the Superbox. But if you prefer a reliable service and don't mind paying for what you watch, Redbox is the winner, even if you do need a separate device to run it. So, which one are you picking? Let us know in the comments before the copyright lawyers arrive.